Welcome to Invisalign cleaning tips and maintenance coconut toothpaste video. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to make coconut toothpaste specifically to use in your night procedure for your Invisalign treatment. Okay, so that's when you basically go to sleep and you go through a specific cleaning ritual, and at the end you use this toothpaste that we're going to make right now. So if you haven't watched my other videos, please look in the description. Okay, I'm going to link down below all the videos I have on Invisalign where I go over different tips, okay, how to clean your Invisalign during the day, as well as how to reduce wearing time from 14 days to 10 days to 7 days, how to wear 20 hours a day, if you need to remove your wisdom teeth, and so on. But for now, let's focus on the coconut toothpaste. Okay, so what you're gonna need is you need to get some kind of bowl. You need, of course, you need a spoon, and if you have, you can also get a scale. Now, you don't need a scale. Basically what you're gonna do is you're just gonna use a 2-to-1 ratio. So if you're gonna use, let's say, 40 grams of coconut toothpaste, then use only 20 grams of the baking soda, okay? And that's pretty much it. So I have here some of my old coconut oil and I have some new one. As you can see here, this one is a new packaging. It's squeezable and I just got it. So we're gonna see if I'm gonna have enough here. If not, I'm gonna open this one. Okay, so let's go ahead and get my digital scale ready. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on top to keep it from getting dirty. Okay, so just put your ball on top and you want to basically set up your scale so it's at 0. Mine is showing 0.1 gram. Guess what? It's an old scale. Okay, so you want to take your coconut oil. That's the old one. Right here, you can see it. So let's go ahead and take, now my goal is to make 40 grams. So let's go ahead, and take this, put it down here. And it looks like my scale is not working. But anyway, we may just eyeball it. Okay, so let's just take some more and let's put it like that. Oh, I think my scale turned on. Okay, I have about 25 grams and I need a little bit more. Okay, so let's just put this more here. Oh, I have 50 grams. Oh, shoot. Okay, so I actually have a little bit too much, so I'm going to have to take some out. So I'm going to actually go ahead and I'm going to slice off a portion and I'm going to actually put it back into my container, and I think I'm going to just leave it like that. Okay, so the thing is, okay, let me just go put it back. Now okay, so there's something wrong with my scale, or it's not exactly correct, but it's showing 51 grams. So I'll just leave it like that. It's going to be a little bit over what I want. So basically I gotta put like 25 grams of baking soda. Okay, so let's just go ahead and do that. Now I want to see if I can wipe this off. Now I want to save this coconut oil, so I'm not gonna. So you want to wipe off the thing, the spoon, before you use it for the baking soda. So take the baking soda. Okay, and this is just a regular baking soda, nothing complex about it. I'm gonna reset my scale there. Okay, let's turn it on again. Yeah, guys, you don't really need a scale, just you can use 2-to-1. So let's just put here 1 tablespoon. Let's just put more. Oh, that's about 25 right there. Let's see if I can put a little bit more. Okay, that's good. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And then I'm going to add some essential. This is spearmint oil. Okay, now this is just a few drops for flavor. You don't really need it, but I find that it's really useful because it tastes better in your mouth. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'm just gonna drop with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I dropped 5 drops in there, and basically you can go ahead and do the same. If you don't have it, it's okay, you can just not use it. It still be fine if you don't. And then also I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some real salt. Okay, now this is just to kill the bacteria. Now baking soda is gonna help kill the bacteria, but salt's gonna enhance that also. So you can use Himalayan salt, you can use the Celtic salt, you can also use regular table salt if you want. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put some there, not too much, maybe like half a teaspoon or something. Okay, and then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna pick it up, okay, and then you're just gonna mix it all around. Let me just move the scale out of here. Okay, so you're just gonna go ahead, and so I'm gonna show you, and you just go ahead, and now the coconut oil will be hard, but as you begin to move it around, it will start to get softer, and it will start to get mixed up with the baking soda that you have. Okay, now my really hard to mix right now, but you still have to try and mix as much as you can. Now this may take you some time, okay, to mix it properly, but the key is to keep on trying and mixing it. It's cold right now, that's why it's in a solid form, and from before. Okay, but even with a solid form, you can still get it to work. You just gotta try and keep on doing it. Okay, and it will start to mix in a few minutes. Oops. If you spill it, don't worry, I just spilled a bunch of the toothpaste. So that's what's happening right now. Okay, so let's see if I can get it here. Okay, so I got the toothpaste in a much better creamy state right here. Okay, it just took me a while to mix it up. So right now we're gonna go ahead and put it in a container. It's very simple. Now you can use any container you want. This container is a really old one, maybe like 5 years old or something. I've been using it for coconut toothpaste for a long time. It's like old pickling jar or something. This is just a regular container. This is from a Spanish mackerel that was pickled that I bought, and it saved the container. You can put it in there too. This one's a bit wider, it's easier to put, but I do like this one, so I'm gonna put it into that one. So you don't have to buy a container per se, but you can use whatever you have. So I'm gonna put this here, and I'm just gonna put the coconut toothpaste in there. Okay, and so yeah, it's hard right now because it's cold, and it will get softer when it gets warmer. And you don't need to make a lot. I suggest you use about 40 grams of coconut oil, maybe 50 grams like I did today. I used 50 grams, and it will last you for a while because you need to use it only once before you go to sleep as your last step to kill the bacteria inside your mouth. Okay, and plus it's gonna make you feel much better than the Listerine. I hate the Listerine. I know some people like it, but I hate it. And so for people that don't want to use the Listerine, they can go ahead and try the coconut toothpaste. And I think it's a much healthier and better option. Plus, you can take this with you if you want, especially if you use those tubes from South Korea that I talked about. Okay, now I might put those tubes again as in this video as a link that you guys can click on. So check out the description for this if you want those Korean toothpaste. So I think I'm kind of full right now, okay, because usually this fits about 40 grams, but because I made 50, I mean, I got some space in there, but still, so let's just press it, close it, and that's it. All right, guys, so toothpaste is done. So remember, this is your last step in your night journey. Don't put the Listerine, put this on, and after, put your trays on, chew on the chewy sticks, and you're ready to go. Okay, so thank you for watching, and comment on this video, share, subscribe to my channel, and check out other Invisalign videos I have in the description. Okay, I'll see you around.